Best AI tool for B2B businesses in USA. Why AI tools are critical for B2B businesses in US market. 96% of B2B marketers already use AI. Companies using AI reduce customer acquisition cost by 42%. Biggest opportunity: automation plus personalization plus lead generation. In the US B2B market, AI is mainly used for lead generation and sales and marketing automation, content creation, CRM and analytics, workflow automation. AI tool for lead generation. Most important. Its top tool is Apollo.io, ZoomInfo, LinkedIn Sales Navigators, Lusa. What they do? Find high quality leads, companies plus decision makers. Provide emails, phone number, intent data. Track which companies are ready to buy. Example: Apollo find 1000 SaaS CEO in USA. Example: ZoomInfo identify companies searching for your product. Why it's important? These tools can replace a full SDR team at lower cost. And second, AI tools for content and marketing. Top tools is ChatGPT, Jasper, Cloud, Surfer SEO. What they do? It is doing blog writing, SEO, email campaigns, ad copy. Example: Google ads, Facebook ad, LinkedIn posts. Example: workflow. ChatGPT write blogs, Surfer SEO optimize ranking, Jasper brand voice content. Why is important? AI enables a scalable content creation across channels. Third is CRM plus marketing audience is equal to core of B2B businesses. Its top tool is HubSpot and Salesforce Pardot. And third is Marketo. And fourth is Pipe Drive. What they do? Manage leads and pipelines and automate email flow ups. Score leads using AI. Predict conversation. Example: HubSpot AI is equal to auto send emails based on user behavior. Why it is important? CRM is used by 91% of companies. And fourth is account based marketing, ABM AI. Its top tool is Six Sense, and second is demand base, and third is cognism. And what they do? It's identify high value companies, track buyer intent and personalize companies per account. Its example is target only Fortune 500 companies likely to buy. What is important? ABM is equal to higher dealer size and better conversation. And fifth is AI chat bots and conversational tool. Its top tool is Draft Intercom, and what they do is it's doing its website chatbot and let capture 24 into 7 instant response to prospectus. Example: visitor comes and chatbot qualifies and sent to sales team. Automation tools. 6 is automation tools. It save time. Top tools is Zapier and second is Make, and what they do is connect app, CRM plus email plus Slack. Its automate repetitive task is, its example is new lead auto add to CRM, send emails and notify team. And seventh is AI SEO and visibility tools. Its new trend. Its top tool is SEMrush, Alkylix, and what they do: rank on Google plus AI search, ChatGPT or Perplexity. Track brand visibility in AI answer. Why it is important? Buyers now ask AI before buying. Best AI stack for B2B recommended is, if you want a high ROI setup in USA market, a starter stack, lead gen Apollo, content ChatGPT, CRM HubSpot, automation Zapier, and advanced stack lead gen is equal to ZoomInfo plus Apollo, and ABM is equal to 6 cents, and content is equal to Jasper plus Cloud, and CRM is equal to Salesforce, and SEO is equal to Simmers. Its or biggest mistake is important when using too many tools without a strategy. Always identify bottleneck: lead, sales, content. Pick one or two tools. A scale later. Its final conclusion is, best AI tool for B2B in the USA depends on your goal. What is your goal? To lead something. First is lead generation, Apollo or ZoomInfo, and second is content, ChatGPT or Jasper, and third is CRM, HubSpot and Salesforce, and fourth is a scaling. A scaling, 6 cents and demand base. The real power is combining tools into a system, not using one tool alone. If you want, I can create all these tools in a system. If you like, if you like this video, please subscribe the channel and comment on this video to what you want to. Thanks for watching this video.